You've been told growth hormone is a magic fat-burning muscle-building switch. That's half true. The myth is, you need a secret shot. The method is you train and live to make your body release more, naturally. Here's the deal. As we age, growth hormone declines. Less muscle, more fat, thinner skin, weaker bones, worse insulin sensitivity. HGH signals IGF-1 through the liver, with insulin's help. Too much insulin slams the brakes. Obesity, sugar, stress, alcohol, overeating, low vitamin D. Poor sleep, same breaks. So how do I 2-3x it? GABA, melatonin, L-glutamine, arginine, not near workouts. Cold therapy, alpha-GPC, hypoxia-style intervals. Keto, tighter carbs, high-protein diet. Want bigger jumps? Deep sleep, intermittent fasting, prolonged fasting can push 10-15x with medical clearance. But the heavyweight champ is heavy work. High-intensity exercise, best natural HGH booster, squats, deadlifts, sprints, CrossFit-style complexes. Load it, move it fast, keep sets short. Rest honestly. Form locked. Daily playbook. Protect sleep like a PR attempt. Dark room. Cool temp. Same schedule. Cut evening sugar. Cut booze. Train heavy 3-4 exercise week. Sprinkle in sprints. Protein at every meal. Manage carbs to keep insulin in check. Consider supplements. Time arginine away from training. Cold finishes post-workout or at day's end. Myth busted. Method loaded.